Hello friends, today I show some interesting what is inside in step motor Nema 17. We used Phillips screwdriver and small driver. Okay, let's show. We must unscrew these long screws. Let's show. Okay, first screw is long screw. Second screw. Third screw and fourth screw. It's magnetic screw and it's hard to getting out. Okay, when we disassemble this fourth screw, take a part of back plate. Okay, how to? We must use hammer or screw to take a bit to take off some elements. This is back of step motor. Okay, something interesting inside. This black part is stator. This part is rotor. Take this element outside. Okay, and use Phillips driver screw to take rotor out of house. Take care, don't use hammer or something bad. Okay, it's hard magnetic. Look at. Okay, it's rotor. This rotor has two bearings. and magnet inside. Quality of China step motor is not good. Take care. Okay. Rotor has some coils and steels. This polarity is N, stator is S. Rotor is S, stator is N. Okay. How much? Coils on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 coils and 2 phase. Where is the problem? Is in step motor. If you have any problem in rotor, in bearings, or in coils. How to test the coils? Coils have 4 wires. If you joint green and black, you have a lot of magnetic power. 2 phase is blue and red. If your step motor doesn't have go, if you make some joint on red, green, or blue and red, your step motor is in false. Okay. Goodbye.